Hello everybody, this is the Smith College Falls, Mill River, the pond, coming out of the pond, and Mill River going back into the woods. So anyway, it was higher than this, but I'm here now and it's still high and roaring. So I just wanted to do a quick video. So take a walk down here. Oh, I can see, just looking, wow. You can see how high it came up, right there. You can see the line of branches and twigs and stuff. So that's probably the highest I've ever known about it coming up. And it's right, the wall's over there. So it came over the wall. That's pretty impressive. Let's go over here. Wow. It's almost up to the wall, up to the top. And that's the way it is these days with the rain and the flooding and, all of that. Yeah. It's still a great spot. I've been here a million times, but I never tire of it. Let's go over here. Yeah, you can see all the trees that are underwater. Yeah, it's all the way up to there, and it was up to here, so right in here. Quite impressive. All right. It's nice. And there's the kind of a Japanese bridge right there. You can't see it too well, but all right. I think I'll end it here and watch the flooding river occur. Okay, have a good one.